A Muslim is one thing, a believer is another, and there is a great difference between the two. You see, we become Muslims by inheritance. Our fathers were Muslims, so we too are Muslims. But a mu'min is not made through inheritance. Surah, Ayah 14. O Prophet, these Bedouins claim, Mistu, we have believed. Tell them, Nesu, you have not believed. Rather say, Nestu, we have submitted. For faith has not yet entered your heart. A true mu'min is only the one who believes in Allah and His Messenger, and never falls into doubt, having faith with certainty, and who strives in the way of Allah with both their wealth and their lives. Only such people are truthful if they say, Mazil, we are believers.